Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect your Wix website. Let's get started. So in order to do that, we just need to head over in here to our pages and menu. So click on that, and then from in there, you should be able to see all the pages that you have. So if you password protect your home page, only your home page will be password protected. If you password protect your general, only this page will be password protected. So you need to apply all of those password protection in all of your actual site. Or you can also just use a members area where people need to log in and have credentials in order to access your website. But for this one, let's just head over and use the password protection. So for example, I want to add a password protection to the general site. So I just need to click on these three dots right here. And then from in there, just click on settings. Under that, you should see the page info, layout, permissions, SEO basics, and all of that. So click on permissions right here. And in here, you can see who can view this page. It can be everyone, password holders, or members only. So for this one, I'll just choose password holders and I'll put in here a password. So for example, let's put in here lollipop. And then from in there, let's just actually save this option right here. So as you can see, if we head over to our permissions again, we can see that we have a password for this specific page. Now let's publish our website. And once we have done publishing it, we should be able to see what it looks like. So in here, as you can see, it's been published. Let's click on this view site right here. So as you can see, it will open our homepage because we haven't password protected that yet. But we click on this general. As you can see, it will ask for a password. So let's put in the password that we have created in here. Then click on go. And then from in here, once we have added in the password that we have, as you can see, we can now access the general page. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.